Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of expertise or authority when it comes to sales and marketing. People tend to respond to authority and expertise. If someone is a proven expert in a particular field, we are more likely to trust what they have to say. So if you have expertise or authority in a particular topic, just show it off. No, you're not boasting at all. You're simply telling others that you are qualified to speak about a particular subject. You are showing them that you are trustworthy and they should listen to your argument. So if you have a degree, just put it into your bio, or if you have won awards, just put them in your bio. Or for example, in case if you have a long years of experience, just talk about it. For example, what you have achieved so far, or just talk about a couple of lines about how you feel after experiencing the industry for such a long time, or what do you think has changed, or what could be changed in the next 5 years. Moreover, you must show off your valuable experience in order to persuade someone. It benefits you to prove that you know what you are doing and you are an expert in your field, right? And most importantly, you know what you are talking about, right? When you combine confidence with expertise, it can be very, very, very persuasive. Confidence plus expertise is equal to persuasion. The more you can show off, the more you can demonstrate your expertise, the more likely you are to persuade someone. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.